think we're recording. Right, let's see what's going on. Go on. Another day in the workshop and another day of need a tool to do a job, so we're going to have to make a tool to do a job again. And this one involves the DSG and a grinding head attachment, which we picked up from an auction, which we've already started taking apart because we got a bit carried away before we pulled the camera out. So what we're going to do, hey? Exactly, see, Carl's always keen to be on down there, look. Say hello, Carl.
Hello!
There he is. So what we're going to do is make that fit this beast over here, which involves removing the quick change, involves the quick change tool post. There we go, look. We've got to make a bit of fitment adaptations to the body of that, which involves using the milling machine with the boring head, because we haven't got to cut the right size. We've done some quick calculations and figured out where it needs to sit, which you missed. I'll show you those. You'll like this. Here are our extremely detailed calculations required. Yes, that is chalk mark. There you go. So we're going to bore that to fit over that machine, and then that gives us a cylindrical grinding setup, which, if we get everything right, we should be able to do inside diameters and outside diameters, as well as face, which is good because that's what we need it for this time. So enjoy the ride. Onwards we go. I thought I just recorded all the cleaning up of this, me measuring it and making sure. And now Carl's walked off down there with it, and we're hoping that it actually fits. Moment of truth. It's live. I measured it. Does it fit? Oh, it's on, look. Yes. Very near measurement.
We need to make a spacer.
So we need to make a spacer to go on there. It's quite nice on there.
I'm thinking maybe we'll just make a block, square tower with a circle through.
What we've come up with. Ooh. Come on, safety sissies. Have a good cry. That was me on purpose. It's not even turned on, look. Anyway, it's bad practice, bad form, bad form.
Stop it! We're playing this game according to Master Jack's rules. Bad form. Sit down now. Let's resume the game.
But what we've done is actually gripped on the centre line in the chuck and set up to that. And now what we need to do is measure this, and that'll give us our ideal minimum, and then we can use that for centred grinding for like bearing fitments and stuff like that, seal fitments on the inside of stuff, and we'll just be limited by the smallest stone, and we can always move the stone this way to gain a bigger diameter, but our absolute minimum is set to this. So we're going to build a washer that goes under there, and then build a cap washer to take up the distance between the threads on the tool post. So the big hoof and grate nut will hold everything beautifully straight and square and strong and true and all the rest of it. So Carl has had one of them moments where he's seen a piece of steel that's about this thick and that wide with a hole about this big that's perfect for the job, and that is what you can clear clinking around in the background of the cavern. Just like that.
Yeah.
You found the perfect piece, haven't you? Shall we just wang that under the grinder? Hi ho. Hi ho.
Surface grinder we go.
The surface grinder we go. With a little tickle tickle here.
You
And a
have
bzz bzz there.
You
I've
have
lost the
lost
plot today.
plot.
Like, I've no idea what's going on. I haven't been let out of the house for a while, that's what it is. I'm like, I've just lost my shit, man. Right. That's on there like that. That goes on there like that. Make a little bit of space like this. And I'll set you up so you can see if you tickle. Carl, what you doing, Carl?
My stomach was making the rumblies that only hands would satisfy.
That's a llamas with hats reference. If you haven't seen it and you're over 18, YouTube it. It's great. And then join us in the comments below with Carl. He's hankering for hands. Oh, it could be washers. What have you found?
That one, but it's not quite big enough. But I know I've got some more somewhere.
See this? This is the concentration phase of I know I've got it, but where? Oh, you're gonna magic 5 of them out of your ass, aren't you?
3, 4, 5, 6.
Tell me they go over the top of that. Moment of truth. Moment of truth.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Bombs in. We're in business. Nut goes on. Washer goes underneath. Made for the job, this thing, you know. Literally. Made for the job. Right. Next bit. Clean it all up. Give it the old Battleship Grey DSG paint job. Great stuff. Assemble it. Grind some shit.
Well, for a scrap flywheel, just a bit of proof of concept. Got no juddering,
Proper job.
No grabbing. Just a scrap flywheel anyway.
It proves that the machine works. Matching Battleship Grey
Yep.
for the DSJ.
For the DSJ.
How big a flywheel do you reckon we could grind on there?
Well,
Quite big, can't we?
Well, it's a 15-inch DSG, so
Yeah, 15-inch, 7.5 ton truck.
Yeah.
Pretty big.
Yeah.
Does the job. Nice finish. There you go.
And Toolpost grinder in action.
Toolpost grinder in action. So just in case you didn't do all the YouTubery fancy stuff and hit the like and subscribes and bells and you know all the fancy stuff, mean a lot to us. Scrappy dog. Scrappy dog.
You could have face. You could have face.
What face? What face? What face? Hello, Scrappy dog. Hello, Scrappy dog. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello to YouTube, Scrappy dog. But nope, I'll sniff your leg. I can smell your girly. See you next time, people. So for each cut that we do, you got to undo these little pinch bolts in here that grips the dovetail, and then you wind your little adjuster in to put the cut on, and clamp it all back up tight again, and then we put it in feed this time, and we go and we bore it until we get to the right size. Simple as that, really. Just a long, arduous, boring exercise.
Boring.
Hold on a minute, hold on a minute, hold on a minute. Going on behind here. Look at that. Perfect.
That's cut more, do you think?
I don't think we're a thousandth or two on there. We're going to be just right, won't it?
That's it then.
Just need one more for the top now, a washer. One more washer for the top. Cut finish on that, look, that's why you want a surface grinder. Look at that beauty. Nice checker plate. Finishing there, nice and equal. Nice and parallel. Like I say, it goes in there. Perfect. As you can see, oh, Scrappy, don't eat the camera. Hello, Scrappy dog. Stop eating the camera, please.